At 2:17 a.m., a truck driver's dashcam recorded something impossible on a lonely stretch of Route 19. A woman was standing in the middle of the road, but when he slammed the brakes, she was gone. No impact, no body, just miles of empty asphalt and the sound of falling rain. Marcus found a single number drawn on his fogged window, 47, right next to the infamous mile marker, 47. Police found an abandoned car nearby. The owner had vanished 11 years ago, at exactly 2:17 a.m. But the dashcam captured one final frame, a face in the reflection, and she was looking directly at him. Would you have stopped? Comment below and subscribe for more Dark Road Diaries.